Hello everyone! Turning a home into a death trap, reshaping streets beyond recognition, or demolishing a building in minutes. This is the terrifying power of severe floods. Today, you'll witness just how brutal and spectacular nature can be. Let's get it on.
Se llevó el puente.
Dios mío, qué dolor me da. Ay, no, eso me duele. Ay, Dios mío.
Puerto Rico was hit by Hurricane Fiona in September 2022, one of the most devastating storms in its history. This came after Hurricane Maria in 2017, which had prompted the construction of this bridge. Unfortunately, the structure couldn't withstand another blow from nature.
Other container. Other cold too, no.
On average, Japan experiences a tsunami once every 12 years. While some regions remain unaffected, people in coastal areas are always prepared for such events. Norway's climate isn't for the faint of heart. Winds reaching 144 kilometers per hour whip up raging waves that crash into coastal resorts.
Jajamensan. Oj, helsike. Ja. Det går bra detta. Ja. Godt må stå på.
The Tohoku region in northeastern Japan is famous for its severe weather. But in March 2011, it became even more well known for the catastrophic tsunami that hit. One of the locals filmed the aftermath. This is what happened to one of New Zealand's largest rivers after an extratropical cyclone hit the South Island.
Oh my god, it's hitting our building. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, wow, it left the roof on the, Do not. Look out the top of that. The bus went over and the...
37, Black Diamond, she's in the roadway.
The woman thought she could drive through the flooded road, completely underestimating the severity of the flood. Soon, she lost control of the car and had to call the police for help.
Alright, well, just you, right?
85 or 430.
You're fine. You're okay. You're okay, it happens. 430. Alright, well, just take that just in case.
Elko, Potimer, or Cannon.
Your car's little room.
Disregard that.
Yeah, hold on. I'm up the back here. So you don't fall because this is Russian, right? Yeah.
People in Colorado won't soon forget what happened in September 2013. A cold front clashed with humid monsoon winds from the south, triggering heavy downpours and widespread flooding across several counties. After heavy rains hit the Spanish coast, the residents of this house were trapped on their own balcony. Luckily, the local rescue team had a helicopter on hand, so no one even had to get their feet wet. Don't underestimate ordinary rain. In September 2019, severe storms brought torrential downpours to the Spanish city of Murcia, triggering landslides and floods. Residents in several neighborhoods were trapped in the upper floors of buildings, unable to leave, while others had to be evacuated. Ten regional roads were closed, and many people lost power. Fortunately, there were no casualties.
Hindi pa ito yung malalim eh.
Sa gitna ka kaya? Hindi pinapasok mo tayo, Brian. Cellphone bag. Dali! Kunti na lang! Basa na yung puwet ko!
In November 2011, the beautiful Italian city of Genoa was barely recognizable. A powerful Mediterranean cyclone had struck, dumping heavy rains across the region. Within hours, the city saw 500 millimeters of precipitation, nearly 5 times the usual monthly average.
अरे वो कोई है इसके अंदर क्या? 1 करोड़ का बह गया माल में.
Kako oni toga krenula na mome, čovječe, sidi. I ove kad, da potopljive ovo.
Niks wat zo de mail had.
What happens far out in the ocean can often lead to natural disasters on land. This was the case on March the 11th, 2011, off the coast of Japan.
来た。おい。はい、今第2弾が来ました。ひどいなこれ。
A massive 9.0 magnitude earthquake struck in the northwestern Pacific Ocean, generating a powerful tsunami. The waves reached the shore so quickly that residents in the nearest regions had only 10 minutes to evacuate. After a hurricane hit southern Nevada in September 2014, most of the roads were flooded. For example, this is what famous Las Vegas looked like. The familiar desert landscapes were completely transformed for several days. Some highways disappeared entirely underwater, so residents simply waited for the flooding to end and for the drought that forecasters had predicted to follow. During the 2012 snowmelt in British Columbia, torrential rains caused devastating flooding in a local district. The rushing water in creeks and rivers was so powerful that it washed away riverbanks, uprooting trees and dragging parked cars along with it.
Awas saya dapat guling, weh! Jatuh berani juga! Hai, sana, pintar! Wow, sana, boleh sana! Weh, sebelah ini yang asik boleh. Panjang.
The 2016 flood in Malaga province was the worst the region had seen in 27 years. At one point, up to 60 millimeters of rain fell in just an hour, 3 times the amount considered heavy rainfall.
পুলিশের গাড়ি যেতে দিব না তো, কারণ ওই যে টানেল আছে না, ওই টানেলের নিচে পানি পড়ে।
On May the 22nd, 2013, heavy rains caused severe flooding in southern Norway. Dozens of people were evacuated from various areas, railways were shut down, and highways were blocked due to massive landslides. Even usually harmless waterways posed a serious danger to communities. People in the Spanish resort town of San Sebastian don't like winter much, because that's the season when the bay's waves can soar to 30 meters.
Oh, look at that. Look at it.
Oh my gosh. Whoa. Are you getting this on film?
Yeah. But I don't know how long I'm going to stand here.
Oh my gosh.
I'm going to pee my pants.
Whoa. Yeah, look at Titus.
that.
往罗湖的列车现在到站，请乘客不要超越黄线。上车的时候。
Severe storms battered multiple US states in April 2025, causing dangerous flooding. Numerous cities issued evacuation orders, and emergency crews navigated submerged streets in boats. Concerned about potential disasters, utility providers shut off gas and power across a vast area stretching from Texas to Ohio.
What's cutting the bank? Is it like going over it? What's cutting that? It was just like, and I go, oh my God, I was going watching a football game. So I came running upstairs, I look in the back door, and my door.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I hope I got this all on film. This is going to be awesome. Woohoo! Oh, it's a cooler, yeah. Oh, listen to it too. It's like breaking stuff up. Yeah.
Again, bagela. 有电梯了，我这几楼一梯的就落again，我都呼出个就落，这个最多多硬的哦，多硬的电梯就等你1万块，我哪下就困进了。bagel，听没不？呼叫。
Lake Finjasjön, one of Sweden's biggest and most picturesque lakes, attracts many people eager to build homes along its shores. But in January 2024, those residents faced a harsh reality. The lake's water level surged, overflowing its banks and submerging nearby houses. The cause may not have been natural factors alone. Wastewater has been continuously discharged into the lake.